I'm gonna show you how to make gumbo. You're gonna need mirepoix, your sausage, some bay leaf, some chicken broth, some liquid smoke, some flour, Worcestershire sauce, like some pre-cooked rice. So you're gonna chop up all your mirepoix. You're gonna it doesn't have to be perfect, just like dice it. It's gonna be celery, a green bell pepper, half a yellow onion, and some garlic, just some cloves of garlic, like we used 5. And then you're gonna mince your garlic. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't even have to mince it really. You could have sliced it, or you could use the pre-minced garlic, but we just used our fresh garlic. And then you're gonna get your sausage. We use Andouille sausage and a few hot links, and you're just gonna cut them into rounds. And again, they don't have to be perfect, just relatively the same size so they cook evenly. And then you're going to put some oil or lard in your pot and sweat your mirepoix until it's sort of translucent, and then you're going to add the flour for your roux. And if you need to, you're going to add more oil, which is what I did, but I didn't show in the video. And then you're going to add your canned tomatoes, a 16-ounce can of tomatoes. And then you're going to add your corn in, and you don't need to drain it or anything. And then you're gonna, before we added the sausage, we put some water in there, 16 ounces of water, hot water. And then you add your sausage in and mix it together. Not cooked or anything, it's gonna cook while it cooks in the soup. And then you add in your chicken stock. And then you add in your okra. We used frozen okra. You could use dried or fresh okra too. And then you're gonna season it. We used about 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I can't pronounce that one. And then like a teaspoon of liquid smoke. I added too much, so I put another 16 ounces of water in there. And you're gonna add your gumbo filet. I think that's how it's pronounced. It's that seasoning. We didn't add too much, just a few shakes of it. And then some black pepper, just to taste. I did about 10 cracks. And then a couple bay leaves. And salt to taste, but I didn't film that part. And then you're going to simmer it for about an hour. That's how long we left it for. And that's what it should look like when it's done.